How to add McDonald's gift cards to the app. Hello everybody, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily add your McDonald's gift card to the app while you check out with your orders. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give our video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new videos. Alright, let's begin. So the first thing that you need to do is open your app, and once your McDonald's app is open, make sure to log into your account. Now once you do that, you will see this order section on the bottom of your screen. Right besides home, you are just going to tap on the order section and then order whatever you want. Once you place your order, what you want to do now is tap on this choose payment option where you will be asked if there is a card option or not. And if there is, all you have to do is enter the code from your gift card and the valid discounts or any of the promo codes will be applied to your checkout. And then the discounts will be given to you accordingly. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button, and I will catch you on the next one.